are back on the roads. Everything prepared. We left everything done last night. And we had our short breakfast. Ellen is still waking up. That's why she hasn't said anything. And we're gonna hit the road today, 4 hours. 4 hours something like
4
that.
hours drive. Most likely more
drive.
time on the road.
So we hit Franz Josef. Right now, what time is it? 8 a.m.?
8, yes.
We're still kind of waking up.
Let's look at the beach.
Leave Wanaka behind. It was a very, very cozy, inviting city. And that's it. Let's hit the road. So short break. We just been on the road for what, like maybe not even 45 minutes. It's been a very good day on the roads. It's a bit windy, so I'm gonna actually dress up. Amazing view. Very summery.
Feels like we're into a new world.
It is.
Our girl is working her way up this hill
Yep.
in 40 kilometers per hour.
That's what she can do.
Very good.
That's what she can do. That's what she does. The thing about driving through the mountains is that there is so many stops to enjoy nature. Like in here, we have the Fainted Falls, which we actually don't know what we're gonna see.
No. But I've seen some pretty cool ones on the way.
Ellen is enjoying the view, the advantage of being the passenger, the co-pilot, that you get to see everything. They're stacking them up. Welcome to Norway.
Oh, wow, there's the one.
Let's try not to stumble any of them. That's pretty cool. See the camera?
There you go.
There you go.
My contribution.
Left our mark. Ugh. Alright, so this is the vlog that logs the starting of the sandflies. They began biting us. They're like small black thingies. Worse than mosquitoes. So we do need the, yeah, that's insect repellent thing. Like now. Necessary.
Holy moly! Jesus!
Someone is really passionate about waterfalls. There she goes. She's beautiful. Another set of waterfalls. Marine Reserve. Ellen just touched the Tasman Sea. Wow.
There's some benches down there where we can have our lunch.
Yeah. That was the first lunch here on the west coast. We barely had any sandflies. And by barely I mean it was impossible to eat. But we're gonna get used to it,
Yeah,
right?
we are.
Allegedly. We shall see. But I foresee a choke and I'm so dirty. My god. Ah, whatever. It's gonna be fine, right, baby?
Yeah, you have some ciabatta here.
God. Please assure me it's gonna be fine.
Yeah, of course.
It's gonna be fine.
Some kind of beautiful, a signifies me glowing in the static. Maybe it's worth it though. You bend the light, the way you move is magic. And the fever's automatic.
Hey, baby.
I don't care if this love is
I think this is a good picture.
some kind of beautiful. Only you can reach me through the static.
We're approaching Franz Josef. Go after these clouds. Shanu just called this the mountain blue.
It looks like the mountain. I need a sweater. Hey, we just arrived to Franz Josef Glacier. Actually, you can see it all the way. You can't see it yet, but I want to show you. There, the Franz Josef Glacier. We made it all the way to the top. It was like 15 minutes. Look at this.
So apparently the glacier ended
1908.
was it that?
So 100 and
Over 100 years ago.
all right, we settled on our spot. I really need to show this this camping site. This is actually a camping site.
Yeah.
It looks like we're in the middle of a jungle. But we're gonna take a short walk and then we're gonna come back and I'll show you the place. What an amazing face! We are walking around in Franz Josef, and I was telling Ellen right now that it feels like it's a city for travelers. It's only hotels and camping sites and small restaurants. And
wanna go there?
wildlife center. Well, there we would see kiwi for sure.
But this beer is really good.
Apparently we look 23. We didn't have to show passport because we are 23. From now on, that's what I am. That's my age. I'm the younger brother here. Yep, we ended up staying and we had dinner here.
The pad thai is amazing.
Oh yes. Ellen was really smelling the pad thai from afar. And we had to stay. Hej! Hur mår du?
Ja,
Vad gör du nu?
jag gör rent bordet. Jag vill flytta det dit bort så att vi kan ha ljuset precis utanför.
Aha! Nu jag ska skriva på engelska till vår subscriber. don't do anything. Look at our coziness. And here's the forests. There's a couple of... What are you doing? Hello. I'm reading. What the fuck?
Whoopsie. Oh.
It's the end of the night. I don't think you can even see me. Elin just went to the bathroom. And yeah, we're gonna close. This has been, what, day 7? I don't even know. We are in Franz Josef. It was a very nice driving day. And we saw the glacier. And we had a very good afternoon. We drank a bit and we had some good food, good music, and we have a very nice, interesting camping site. I'm gonna sign off. I'll see you tomorrow.